What if one wrong click could cost you everything?
Traditional payments can be reversed, but blockchains are built for finality. In crypto, once a transaction is confirmed on-chain, it's effectively permanent.
Irreversibility is both a strength and a responsibility. Why can't crypto transactions be reversed? Let's break it down. In traditional finance, banks act as intermediaries.
If you dispute a card payment, they can intervene and reverse it.
That safety net exists because a central authority can overrule outcomes. Blockchains remove that button on purpose.
Crypto replaced middlemen with code and consensus.
Direct ownership also means no global undo switch.
Finality means when a block confirms your transfer, it's fixed.
Each new block seals the record into place.
Your transaction becomes part of an auditable public ledger.
Once the network agrees, edits aren't allowed.
Copies across nodes keep everyone honest.
Hashes chain blocks, so changing one breaks the rest.
Even a small change produces a totally different hash.
Tampering triggers mismatch across the chain.
Finality builds trust. Confirmed equals settled.
It's like a wax seal. Once stamped, it's closed.
Banks use human judgment. Blockchains use rules and math.
And a will double. So always verify the address before you send.
One wrong character can send funds to a stranger. What? Dad. Once confirmed, that record persists.
The same finality helps protect against tampering.
Modern wallets use checksums to catch typos.
No one, not even validators, can force a reversal later.
Finality balances system security with your personal responsibility.
Before sending, verify network, address, and amount.
Use QR codes and checksum hints when available.
Wrong network equals failed or lost transfer.
Confirm you're on the intended chain before sending.
Some assets need a memo or tag. Missing it can strand funds.
Look for required fields before hitting send.
When unsure, test with a tiny amount first.
Confirm it arrives, then send the full amount.
Beware of address swapping malware and fake UIs.
If the pasted address changes, stop and scan for malware.
Read the address on your hardware device before approving.
Save trusted addresses as contacts to reduce mistakes.
Wait for sufficient confirmations before considering funds final.
Different chains and assets have different norms.
Finality protects the network while making you accountable.
Irreversible yet auditable keeps trust without middlemen.
Once closed, the ledger stays closed to edits.
Adopt a simple rule. Check twice, send once.
If you send to the wrong address, recovery is unlikely.
Only the recipient's cooperation could return it.
Freedom to self-custody means owning your outcomes.
Good habits prevent irreversible mistakes.
Firm on device. Save trusted contacts. Test small.
These steps take seconds and save you from permanent loss.
This formula keeps blockchains honest.
Irreversible, transparent, and secured by consensus.
Check addresses twice. Send once.
Up next, practical tools to verify transactions. Subscribe for more beginner-safe crypto guides.
Ah,